Alright, my 58 Apache project. I'm going to fire it up here. I just hooked up my tailpipes, my mufflers. I haven't heard this thing with the mufflers yet. Just straight headers. So we're going to fire this up and see how it sounds. Well, one other thing I did a while back, you're supposed to disconnect the ground before the positive. Something I did earlier on. I was corrected on that by a good friend of mine. It's one of those things. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna pump it a couple times, and I'll be honest with you, it should have fired right up, but we'll see. Give it a couple more shots here. Come on, baby. All right, I might have flooded it this time. Not bad. Sounds pretty good. I like it.